Hello keyboard sexual people. So this is the keyboard that I've made a video previously. I'm gonna fix it. You know, this aesthetically is not pleasing enough for me. So I bought the best keycaps in the world that you'll ever seen. Anime keycaps, because why not? So I'm gonna be changing keycaps to these and do a little sound test. Okay, finally done. What is wrong with this board? Why is it so dirty? I need to clean this. Yep, now time to put on the glorious keycaps. Now this is a piece of art. Wow. Oh, it even sounds better? Oh, I need to fix that. Wow, oh my god, I might keep this here. Wow. I'm just speechless, you know. Wow. Wow.